Hello friends, myself CA Rakesh Agrawal, and I'm talking about CA Intermediate new syllabus which is introduced by the institute in the year 2023. The first exam of this new syllabus will be conducted in May 2024. And friends, today I'm going to talk about the subject of financial management with you. Though I am known for the subject of costing, but today I'm going to talk to you about financial management. So dear student friends, most of you have attended my costing lectures of CA Intermediate, and I hope you liked it. If you have loved the conceptual and logical way of learning the subject with me, and if you wish to learn the subject of FM in the same manner, then this video is for you. It means if you have loved my costing, the logical way of teaching, then, and if you want to learn the FM also in the same manner, then this video is for you. So please listen to this lecture very carefully if you wish to learn FM and the new syllabus with me. I used to teach FM, financial management, in the earlier syllabus also. That was, earlier syllabus is called 2017 syllabus because it was introduced in the year 2017. Now later on, I had stopped teaching FM because there were other teachers to teach FM and I concentrated only on costing. Now when I went through the new syllabus, 2023 syllabus of FM, I noticed that it is almost the same as earlier syllabus. Means 2023 syllabus is almost the same as 2017 syllabus. On the contrary, the syllabus is reduced a little bit. They have reduced something from the 2017 syllabus. So there is no addition. On the contrary, there is a small deletion which I will be discussing. Now in the earlier 2017 syllabus, the FM subject was for 60 marks. Please mind. Earlier it was for 60 marks and economics was for 40 marks, economics for finance. So it was a 60 plus 40 combination in the earlier syllabus 2017. And now in the new syllabus, that is 2023 syllabus, the FM subject is for 50 marks and SM, that is a strategic management subject, is also for 50 marks. So under the new syllabus, they have clubbed FM, financial management, with strategic management, 50-50 marks each. And earlier 60 marks portion is reduced to some extent and made it for 50 marks. Now I used to teach FM, financial management, on whiteboard with marker pen. So I used to stand in front of the board and solve the questions one by one, step by step in the classroom. And fortunately, these lectures were recorded. When I used to teach these lectures, they were recorded while teaching on the board. Now an idea came to my mind to offer you these lectures almost free of cost. Almost free of cost, so that those who have studied costing with me can also take the benefit of studying FM subject with me. Please remember, it will almost be provided at free of cost, but to those students who have studied costing with me and they want to learn FM with me, I have made suitable modifications in my previous notes and I have done some editing in my previously recorded video lectures to make them suitable for new syllabus. So I am not doing the fresh recording, but whatever lectures were earlier recorded, they are suitable for new syllabus with a very little modification. So I have done some editing in the video lectures and some modification in my previous notes, and these will be given to you now. Now what are these major changes in FM new syllabus? A topic called risk analysis in capital budgeting is fully deleted under the new syllabus. So earlier there was a topic called risk analysis in capital budgeting, now fully removed. There was a separate chapter of lease financing with some theory and practical questions in the earlier syllabus. Now only theory is retained by the institute. Theory of lease financing is retained and it is merged with the chapter of types of financing. There is a separate theory chapter called types of financing. So they have merged the theory of lease financing with that chapter. And practical questions on lease financing are completely deleted under the new syllabus. So what are the changes? One is the risk analysis in capital budgeting chapter is fully deleted and practical questions of lease financing is deleted, only theory is kept. These are the major changes or deletions. Now I have made these changes in my earlier notes and video lectures, but without changing the earlier page numbers, because you know my habit, I write question number oblique page number while teaching. Now if I change the page numbers, it will not match with the video lectures. So I have done some changes. I'll just show you what changes I have made. Just pay attention to understand it. So these are your notes of regular batch. Please remember this chapter, this index page you will get in your printed notes. Please remember your printed notes contains this index. This chapter, chapter 1, scope and objective of financial management, exactly same. Financial analysis and planning, that is ratio analysis, no change. Leverage topic, no change. Cost of capital topic, no change. Financial decision, that is capital structure, no change. Dividend decision, no change. Working capital management, no change. Investment decision, capital budgeting, no change. Please remember. Now this risk analysis in capital budgeting, this entire chapter is dropped. Everything is deleted. In lease financing, only now theory is left. Practical questions are deleted. This column is for practical questions, my dear friends. See, this column is for number of questions. So only questions are deleted. Theory is still kept. And types of financing, that is sources of finance, is the theory chapter which is still there. And to solve the questions of financial management, you need some table, discounting factor table, annuity factor table, which are given to you at the end of the notes. And at the end of the notes, I have also given the content details of my video lecture. It means in first lecture, what I have covered, what is the duration of that lecture. In second lecture, what coverage I have done, what is the duration of that lecture. And this detailed contents I have put at the back side of your regular batch notes. So at the end of the notes, you will find the lecture wise details. I'll just show it to you what these details are, which are lying on at the end of your regular batch notes. So I'll just take you to these contents. Now these are the detailed contents of each video lecture and they are already been modified as per 2023 syllabus. Now like lecture 1, introduction, which is introduction of the subject and faculty, scope and objectives of financial management. This is the duration. This is 1 hour, 59 minutes, 45 seconds, hours, minutes and seconds. So these are the lecture wise details. Now from lecture 1 to, I'll just take you up to, these are the details. From lecture 1 up to lecture 43, absolutely no change. Lecture 1 to lecture 43, there is absolutely no change because there is no change in the syllabus. Now, video lecture number 44 to 48, these lectures deal with risk analysis in capital budgeting. As this portion is deleted, I have deleted these video lectures also. Are you getting my point? I have deleted these video lectures. It means after 43 number lecture, you will directly find 49 number lecture. So don't worry where number 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 has gone. Don't worry about it. Those videos I have deleted because they are no more applicable for you. Therefore, I have deleted them. So after 43, you will get lecture number 49 directly, lease financing. But only theory is discussed. Again, lecture number 50 and 51 are deleted. Please remember, because these two lectures contained the discussion of practical questions and practical questions are no more applicable. So after 49 number lecture, you will find lecture number 52 and so on, 52, 53. In 52 lecture also, there were some questions which I have deleted and only theory I have kept. Only theoretical discussion I have kept, practical questions are deleted. So this lecture is very small. This lecture is only of 14 minutes 39 seconds because only that much portion was the theory discussion. Remaining was the discussion of previous chapter practical questions which are already been deleted. And then 53, 54 and 55, and at this lecture I have done the conclusion. So on the contrary, you would have noticed some lectures got deleted and some portion got deleted, and FM from 60 marks became for 50 marks. And I thought of making use of this recording instead of wasting it, making it use for you if you want to study FM logically with me. So I'll continue with my presentation now. So these changes I have already told you what I have made in my notes and in the video lectures, and this index which I have shown to you and the lecture wise contents, they are already in your printed notes, in regular batch notes. Don't worry. So you'll get all these details. Now I have also changed the sequence of chapters given in the ICAI module. In the ICAI module, the sequence of chapter is different, and in my notes and my teaching, the sequence is different. So I have designed my own logical sequence of teaching, my dear friends, because I have thought that this chapter, if I cover first, then it will be helpful in next chapter. So I have changed the sequence, right? So don't compare it in the same sequence. Module sequence is different, my notes sequence is different, but entire syllabus and portion is covered. Now you will get two sets of printed notes from my side, two sets of physical copy of printed notes, spiral binded notes. One is regular notes, which is used in the classroom while teaching. So it contains theory which has been discussed in the class. It contains unsolved questions which are solved on the whiteboard in the classroom, and some homework questions along with the answers are printed in your regular batch notes. The second book which you will get is the practice book. This practice book contains some additional questions with answers and some solved MCQs also, because now in your new syllabus MCQ questions will also be asked. So they are also there. There are some MCQs in regular batch notes also, and there are some MCQs included in practice book also. So you'll be getting these two sets of printed notes, regular and practice book. These two copies will be sent to you through courier, and video lectures you can view on your either mobile app or Windows app. So you can just download it in the app itself and view it there itself. So you'll get a link to download these lectures. You'll have to install an app, and in that app you will get a product key also for financial management. Once you enter that product key, that is your password key, you will start viewing the lectures. You can download and view the lectures in the app itself. Now when I'm teaching on whiteboard with marker pen, you will feel like I'm standing in front of you and teaching you in the classroom, because that is the feedback given to me by the students, that sir, when you are teaching on the board and when we view it, even when we view you on even on video lectures, we feel as if you are standing in front of us and teaching us. So that is the feeling you will get, right, when I'm teaching on the whiteboard with marker pen. Now to get this feeling, you may watch the first 3 full lectures on my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading these first 3 video lectures of FM on my YouTube channel, so you can view it first, how the teaching is done, what is the teaching style, how it looks, right, the way of teaching, everything. So you will get the feel of my teaching style. If you like it, then you may go for these lectures. Now we have decided to charge only rupees 500 to those students who have joined my costing regular batch, right, under new syllabus. So those who have joined my costing regular batch of 2023 syllabus, to them we are going to charge only rupees 500. And why this nominal account is charged? This nominal account is just to recover the cost of printing of these 2 spiral binded notes, cost of courier and some administration. So it is almost free, my dear friends. Whatever cost we are incurring here, cost of printing, courier, handling, administration, only that much we are recovering from you, right? We are not taking anything extra. It's a very nominal account which you'll have to pay. To which students we are offering this, giving this offer? Those who are studying costing or have studied costing with me, right, in my under new syllabus, 2023 syllabus. So this offer is for them. Now for other students, if there are any, there is any other student who has not studied costing with me, but he wants to join, anybody who has not joined my costing regular batch but would like to join the FM batch directly without joining costing, no problem, they are also welcome. So we have kept a concessional fee for them, that is 2,500 is a concessional fee for those students who have not purchased my costing video lectures but want to buy FM video lectures. Please remember, this is also concessional fee because in 2017 syllabus, that is earlier syllabus, I used to sell the regular batch FM lectures for rupees 9,000. So 9,000 was our fees for 1 year validity of lectures for FM regular batch. So for them also we are selling it at a very nominal amount. Instead of 9,000 we will be charging you only 2,500 even if you have not studied costing with me, don't worry. So don't wait anymore and start studying the subject of FM with concepts and logic just like costing, my dear friends. And now I am connecting to you to my first lecture of FM which was taught on whiteboard. So from now onwards, within few seconds, we will switch over to my board teaching. That is, you will get the first lecture which was taught in the classroom on whiteboard in the earlier syllabus. So let's get ready for takeoff, my dear friends.